Surface Book. Mind the gap. At the midpoint of the Surface Book, there's a piece of connective tissue that Microsoft calls the dynamic fulcrum hinge. Rather than simply bonding the screen and keyboard base together, it's this key piece that makes the whole device work. Rather than folding flatly, the hinge basically coils into itself, leaving a noticeable gap between the screen and keyboard when the unit is closed. When opened, this same part rolls out and actually extends the base of the laptop, which in turn helps extend the support base for the tablet portion of the Surface Book, called the clipboard. While a traditional notebook display might weigh half a pound at most, the top section of the Surface Book weighs 1.6 pounds, because it contains all the necessary parts to act as a standalone tablet. As such, the hinge has been reinforced and contains extra mechanisms, not unlike the Lenovo Yoga 900's watch band style hinge to keep it in place. Surface Book is solid as a rock, and you can even pick up it by the display and shake it about without worrying about the whole thing falling apart. On a flat surface, the screen is held steady in place and even stays put when you have it in your lap. The only times the screen wobbles are when I'm poking at it with my finger or the Surface Pen, but that really comes with trying to operate a touchscreen on any laptop. Fortunately, the hinge on the Surface Book 2 is a lot sturdier, but for a markedly steeper price point. Aside from that, a strikingly similar design carries on to the Surface Book's more recently released sequel.